everyone. We're from the Thomas Jefferson Elementary School Give Day Club, and we're ambassadors for the Animal Outreach Group.
So we're going to talk about why we all got involved with animal outreach and what we love about it.
I joined the Animal Welfare Group because I have a special connection to animals. Animals are part of Mother Nature. Part of our jobs as human beings is to help preserve them. So if you get the chance to help an animal in need, take that chance.
All the ambassadors in our group love and have compassion for animals big and small. We want to help make a difference in our community. All of us decided to become ambassadors through our love of all animals, any shape, size, and color. We all want to help make a difference in the world.
We learned some hard facts. Every year, 1.5 million animals are killed in shelters, and 1 million are abused every year. We also learned some encouraging facts. Every year, 3.2 million sheltered animals get adopted, and adoption is the most common way to get a cat.
Please help support our efforts to raise awareness about pet adoption. You can donate to our pet food drive for the Animal Welfare League of Arlington, January 22nd through 24th.
You can also support the Lost Dog and Cat Rescue Foundation by ordering takeout from the Lost Dog Cafe in Westover on February 9th. 10% of all sales will be donated to our fund to buy a big item off their wish list.